friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Kumkum. So in this video I have decided to explain you something new topic, that is vegetative propagation. Like we come across through different methods how to grow plants, and this is the also one method to grow plant, vegetative propagation. Like generally we come across, like if you have to grow something plant, we used to buy that seed and then grow a fruit, and if you have to plant a tree, so we also brought seed and then grow. So what about that plants which do not have seeds? So for that we use a method called vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a method of growing plants with the help of modified stems, roots and leaves. Modified stems, roots means, like if you have seen potato, okay, so on its upper surface it has buds. With the help of that birds, when we grow in the soil, it grows into, it regenerate into a new plant. And you have also seen some leaves, like one common example we have seen, like leaf of bryophyllum. You can see that on the Google, leaf of bryophyllum. So on that leaf you can see that on its notches mean on its leaf margins there are some plants which are growing, some small plants. And if you cut that plant, or when the leaf fall into the soil, so new plant grows. So this is the method of growing a new plant with the help of modified stems and roots and leaves. So this is a vegetative propagation method. So there are various methods of growing a plant. Like there are various parts of vegetative propagation. Basically there are two methods, like artificial vegetative propagation and natural vegetative propagation. The first one which I have told you about, like leaf and buds, so it is a natural vegetative propagation method. And if you come across to the artificial method of propagation, so we'll see that different how the plants grow. So in artificial vegetative propagation, artificial, it's mean that it's a man-made. So in artificial we there are three methods, like cutting, layering and grafting. So in cutting, what we do, we cut the stems of plants and grows in the soil. Okay? And cutting example, we can see we can grow sugarcane with the help of cutting, and I didn't remember the names of lots of plants, I'm so sorry. So this is a method of cutting. What we actually did in cutting we cut the stems of the plants and just grow in the soil. Okay. And second is the grafting method. It's a quite good method, grafting. So in grafting what happens, we take the stems of two plants. One stem remains rooted in the soil, and the second is the stems of another plant. You can take that part from any species of any plant. Okay. So with one plant is remain rooted and the other plant is tied over it with the help of some like tape or ropes for a few days. And after a few days what we see that both the plants join together and they start growing as a single individual plants. So this is a method of grafting. And the third method is layering. Layering is the most strange method that you should know. Like we eat fruit, pomegranate and apples, so these fruits grow by this method. Like in the layering what we did, we generate roots on the stems of the plants, and that part is cutted from the mother plant and then separately grows in the soil. Like in layering there are different methods, with only two methods I will tell, that is air layering and mound layering. In mound layering is generally performed with those plants which have lower branches. So in that we take a branch of that tree and we root it in the soil, and the tip of the plant should be remain above the soil. And after few days we see that from that part a new roots are started generating. And when the roots started generating, we cut the rest part with the mother plant, and then we grow that part individually as a independent plant. So this is a mound layering. Now when we talk about air layering, so this method is basically performed in the long plants like protons, whose stems cannot be touched into the soil because they are too long. So in protons what we did, we generally remove the bark of the stem, and we cover it with the help of cotton or moss, and we apply water for few days. And after that, after few days, we will see that roots are start generating from that part. So that part detachment taken away from the mother plant and separately rooted in the soil and grow as an independent plant. Okay, so this is the method of air layering. Air layering method is performed for the apples as well as for the pomegranate, and mound layering method applied for the strawberries, jasmine plants. So this is the whole topic of vegetative propagation. If you like this video, if you are thinking that you have got something new, so please put a subscription button on my channel, and comment, don't forget to comment me. Okay, thank you so much, have a nice day.